How to assemble the Octronz Kiddo Bike. The bicycle is already 80% assembled. Installation of the handlebar, front wheel and accessories is required to complete the bicycle. Unscrew the nuts at the rear wheel and insert the training wheel along with the pannier rack. Bolt it back securely for both sides. The training wheels should be in balance, one higher than the other, when installed. The pedals can be tightened simply by turning it forward. Take note of the L and R indicated on the pedals. The L pedal turns anti-clockwise to tighten. Rotate the fork forward and insert the front wheel with the tire tread pointing forward. Ensure the washer hooks into the fork and tighten the two bolts. Unscrew the nut and insert the front brake across the fork along with the front mudguard. Tighten the nut. Afterwards, loosen the front nut to insert the basket mount. Insert the handle and tighten the bolt at the top. Ensure the handle is aligned with the front wheel. Tighten the bolt of the brake levers. Attach the brake cables to the brake lever for the front brake. Adjust the front brake pads to be aligned with the rims. Turn and align the gap on the brake lever for the cable to run through. Attach the brake cables to the brake lever for the rear brake. Turn and align the gap on the brake lever for the cable to run through. Adjust the cable and tighten back the nut. Hold the rear brake lever and rotate the wheel forward to further tighten the rear brake. Simply insert the saddle and tighten the seat clamp. Insert the rear mudguard and bolt it down. Bolt the front basket with the mounting plates. Screw on the bell to the handlebar. Optional step, insert the plastic cover to cover the nuts on the axle.